I'm Mark Yori.
Brian Deatherage.
Phoenix Drone Services, about to go over to Los Gatos and do some 3D mesh, some next level drone work. Stay tuned.
Using the latest drone and survey technology, Phoenix Drone Services is able to safely and accurately deliver essential AutoCAD data in a fraction of the time and cost associated with traditional methods. We can survey neighborhoods, roads, bridges, and many other types of infrastructure, as well as provide unprecedented safety at active mine sites and agriculture. Seen here is a 3D rendering of the North Scottsdale neighborhood of Los Gatos. The project represents 2 flights at 29 minutes per flight and over 250 million points of data. Combined with ground control, this project could be used for infrastructure improvement, such as water runoff and road repair. In addition to 3D renderings, we can also do 2D orthomosaic maps. These maps are a result of our picture processing software that literally analyzes pixels of hundreds of photographs and stitches them together. This results in a very crisp and clear image, as you can see here, zoomed in at 200%. We love being able to work with the construction and mining community, whether it's showcasing a new property or inspecting a bridge or cell phone tower. We can even view day-to-day activities. We'd like to have Dave Deatherage at Copper State Engineering share with you his recent experience using Phoenix Drone Services at Pinto Valley Mine.
Hi, I'm Dave Deatherage with Copper State Engineering. I'd like to talk to you a little bit about performing topographic mapping services at the Pinto Valley Mine. I've been associated with Pinto Valley Mine historically for many projects, and I'm familiar with the needs for mapping at the site. Typically, historically, you would fly the site and produce aerial photo coverage with overlapping photos, and then after several months of data processing, you'd wind up with contour maps on the order of 10-foot, sometimes 5-foot contour interval coverage, which is great for overall mine projects on a large scale, but for smaller scale projects you need much tighter contour intervals on the order of 2 feet to even 1 foot, especially if you're doing earthwork quantity takeoffs. What we found is a typical project for maybe a surface water project at the site where we're relying on the 10-foot existing contour coverage. We'll have to go back in and do site-specific surveys in order to get the topographic information we need. With this new drone technology that's available through Arizona Drone Services in particular, we've gone out to the site and with about approximately hour of drone coverage and several days of data processing, we produced, just as a test example, a topographic map of a portion of the pit and the mine site area. This was ready in 3 days from after the drone flew. We can do this coverage on the order of 2-foot contour interval coverage for the entire mine site, and typically the costs are on the order of 30 to 50% of conventional topographic mapping. I'll turn it over to Brian and Mark to discuss further.
Thanks, Dave. We're going to leave you with a 3D point cloud of the job we did for Copper State Engineering and the Pinto Valley Mine. A 4-mile-long pipeline that was processed in 6 days, not 6 months. We would love to talk to you about the ways we can integrate drones into your workplace. Visit us on the web at www.phoenixdroneservices.com, and thanks for watching.